avoid missed payments or possible disconnection by signing up for recurring payments. This means your bill will automatically be paid each month in full without any further action on your part. If you'd like to set up automatic payments from a bank account or card, SmartHub makes it easy to manage them from your smartphone or tablet. This video shows you how to do it on your iPhone. From the SmartHub home screen, tap the Bill and Pay icon. Tap Recurring Payments. On the Select Account screen, tap the account for which you wish to enable automatic payments. The Manage Recurring Payments screen displays a status message regarding recurring payments in your account. In this case, recurring payments are disabled, which means that although you have credit cards or bank accounts stored in SmartHub, they are not set up to automatically pay your bill. If you've already stored a credit card or bank account in SmartHub that you wish to use for automatic payments, select it here. To use a different payment method for automatic payments, tap New Payment Method. Select the appropriate payment type, in this case, a checking account. The next screen displays your known information in many of the fields, but you can edit the fields if necessary. All required fields must be completed before proceeding. When you're satisfied your entries are correct, tap the Continue button. Confirm your decision to use this payment method by tapping the Continue button. To enable automatic payments, tap the Confirm button. Rest assured, your information is securely stored in accordance with credit card industry data security standards. You'll get a confirmation alert to let you know that automatic bill pay was successfully set up. Keep in mind, your automatic payment will not take effect until your next billing cycle, so you will still need to make a payment if you have a balance due on your account. If you wish to pay it immediately, tap Yes, or tap No to return to the previous screen if you want to make a payment later. So that's how you enable recurring payments for an account in SmartHub. Now, if you already have recurring payments enabled, but would like to change the payment method or completely disable future payments, those options are also easy in SmartHub. Just like before, access Bill and Pay, then Recurring Payments. Tap the account for which you wish to manage automatic payments. As you can see, the Manage Recurring Payment screen this time informs you of your enabled status. To change some of the details of the current payment method, access it here. To replace the current payment method, choose from the other existing methods, or add a new method as you saw moments ago. To stop automatic payments, simply tap Disable Recurring Payments and tap Yes to confirm. This account will no longer be automatically paid. Tap OK to return to the Manage Recurring Payments screen. Here's a recap. To manage your recurring payments, access the Bill and Pay screen and tap Recurring Payments. On the Select Account screen, tap the account for which you wish to enable automatic payments. Here you can enable your account to be paid by an existing payment method, add a new payment method, edit certain details for the existing payment method, if there is one, or stop recurring payments for this account. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to manage recurring payments. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.